What's going on, people? Welcome back to Jamaica Alpha Space. Remember to like, subscribe, share the video, right? Okay, so the previous lesson we were talking about how to ask what is the cost of something, an item, if you're buying an item. Say you go on the island as a tourist or in any situation you want to buy something, and how to ask what is the cost of that. And we said you go about it by saying, how much for that? Or how much for that, right? So remember I said there's a way that locals speak where we would add something to a word or a phrase, right? And in this case, you can do just that, right? So when we are referring to a female in Jamaica, we would say muma. That is equivalent to mother, because there's a big thing with respect in Jamaica. Or if you're referring to a guy, you would say Don or me Don. So I'm going to show you how to merge those.